In this video, I will show you how to repair your CorsaD door lock actuator. To open up the actuator, there are 3 Allen screws and the cover is held in place with the metal part. To open it up, I made a cut in the metal part with a hacksaw and bend it up so that I can remove the cover. So here you can see the bent up metal. There's the actual cover that's held in place with the part, and see how dirty it's inside. So most likely it's because of the dirt clogged up all the moving parts in the motor. The motor is either stuck because of the dirt or the brushes are used up. To fix it up, I remove all the moving parts and thoroughly clean it, all the dirt from the parts and the housing as well. This part is barely moving, so I added extra force to move it. Here it is, all cleaned up and greased. From both rear door locks, one of them worked after just cleaning. For the other one I had to replace the brushes of the motor because there were no brushes left. It cost me €2. Hope that this video helped you with your problem. For any questions, comment please.